Welcome back to Ride Radar. Today we're diving into the 2026 Rolls-Royce Ghost, sometimes referred to as the Ghost series, to facelift a masterclass in discreet luxury. Handcrafted detail and seamlessly integrated technology. This isn't a dramatic overhaul, but rather a precise refinement of an already exquisite formula. We'll break down its updated exterior, new features, lavish interior, smooth performance, and price. Let's get into it. From the outside, the 2026 Ghost preserves its unmistakable silhouette, long, commanding, and quietly elegant, but receives thoughtful tweaks that modernize without disrupting. The front fascia introduces slimmer, teardrop-inspired LED headlights that frame the iconic Pantheon grille more delicately. The grille itself is backlit for an ethereal glow at night, continuing Rolls-Royce's theme of understated drama. A simplified bumper design stretches a single air intake across the front, ditching chrome accents in favor of a cleaner, more contemporary appearance. New 22-inch alloy wheels come in fresh 9-spoke designs, while the rear features a new light. Signature with vertical taillight, slits a subtle nod to the electric Spectre's aesthetic language. Two new paint colors, Olivine and Moustique Blue, expand the already vast palette, offering even more opportunity for personalization. These changes aren't loud, but they do what Rolls-Royce does best: quietly evolve toward perfection. Step inside, and the Ghost remains an oasis of calm and craftsmanship. The minimalist post-opulence design ethos is alive and well, refined with restrained surfaces that feel intentional, not bare. A full-width glass panel now houses an updated infotainment interface running the Rolls-Royce Spirit operating system. The integration with the Whispers app allows remote control over navigation, locking, and vehicle status all through your phone. Instrument cluster displays can be customized to match the exterior or interior theme, enhancing the sense of cohesion. Every inch of the cabin is artful. Seat perforations are arranged in patterns inspired by cloud formations over Goodwood. It's made up of more than 100,000 precisely placed micro-perforations. Veneer choices include gray-stained ash and duality, twilled bamboo, both hand-finished over several weeks. The 18-speaker bespoke audio system uses the car itself as a resonator, rear sills amplified bass, exciters in the ceiling project, mids and highs, and active microphones calibrate audio based on cabin dynamics. Even the famed Starlight headliner has been tuned so that it complements the acoustics. Ambient lighting, hand-polished glass switches, hidden storage areas, and optional rear entertainment screens all contribute to an experience designed for calm and indulgence, not showiness. Technology in the Ghost doesn't announce itself, it simply works. The lightweight aluminum platform, known as the architecture of luxury, continues to provide rigidity and balance, while enhanced air suspension and all-wheel steering deliver the signature magic carpet ride. New sensor arrays, subtly placed, improve adaptive cruise, lane centering, and driver assistance without veering into full autonomy. The camera-assisted dampers proactively adjust suspension response based on the road ahead, further smoothing out imperfections. The infotainment system now responds to voice, touch, and gesture, while rear passengers get separate tablet controls and wireless headphone options to stream independent content. Everything is focused on effortlessness. Cabin space is generous. Even in standard form, legroom is ample, while the extended wheelbase version adds 6 more inches, a deal for owners who prefer to ride in the back. Front seats offer massage, heating, cooling, and powered doors that close at the push of a button. Rear seating can be configured as a traditional 3-passenger bench or with 2 individual lounge-style seats divided by a center console. There's even a fold-flat rear seat option, paired with a trunk that offers 16.4 cubic feet of space, surprisingly practical for such a stately machine. Under the hood lies the beating heart of tradition, a 6.75-liter, twin-turbocharged V12 engine. In standard form, it delivers about 563 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. In the Black Badge variant, those figures climb to around 592 horsepower and 664 pound-feet. Acceleration from 0 to 60 takes between 4.2 and 4.7 seconds depending on trim, impressive for a vehicle of this size. Top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour. The ZF 8-speed automatic gearbox delivers power with barely detectable shifts, and the car's near-perfect weight distribution ensures composed handling. The Ghost glides, not just over pavement, but through time, with a sense of serene momentum. Fuel economy is predictably low, roughly 12 mpg city and 19 highway, but that's hardly a concern for its clientele. Maintenance costs hover around $4,000 annually, according to owner data, but buyers see it as part of the ownership experience, not a drawback. The Ghost isn't about spreadsheets, it's about presence, experience, and identity. It's not just a car, it's an extension of its owner's values and taste. What truly separates the 2026 Ghost from anything else is the precision of its evolution. It doesn't chase trends, it leads quietly, dressing timeless form in carefully considered updates. The V12 is still here, whispering refined power. Interior is still handmade, but now digitally connected in all the right ways. The degree of personalization is staggering. Everything from paint to embroidery can be bespoke. Even the audio tuning or a single piece of wood trim can reflect the owner's vision. And then there's the price. Expect the standard wheelbase Ghost to start at around $312,000. Go for the extended wheelbase, and you're looking closer to $340,000. Opt for the black badge, and you're well into the $440,000 range before bespoke options. Of course, final cost depends on how far into the customization rabbit hole you want to go, and many owners do go all the way. To wrap it up, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Ghost doesn't aim to shock or reinvent, it perfects. It delivers a sense of calm, confidence, artful detail, and seamless performance that few other vehicles approach. For those seeking a luxury car that speaks in whispers, not roars, this is still the gold standard. It doesn't just move you from place to place, it moves you in spirit. Thanks for watching Ride Radar. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give us a like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more journeys into the world's most remarkable cars. Tell us below, would you drive the Ghost yourself, or sit back and enjoy the ride?